Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Krita, and let's see today how to select with magnetic curve selection tool. Just be sure that you selected right layer, and let's go to our icon of magnetic curve selection tool. And now everything you have to do is to click and to set up the dots which will be connected. And the interesting of this tool is that it tries to find out the shape. So between two dots it's not necessary to be the lane, it will be a curve. And if you don't like some area you selected, you just have to move the wrong point. So you're clicking on it and drag and dropping. That's it.